Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a Cajun Remoulade sauce. It's a creamy, spicy sauce. It's great on everything. So if you like spicy, watch me make it. For our ingredients, we have mayonnaise, Creole mustard, garlic, horseradish, paprika, Cajun seasoning, lemon juice, hot sauce, fresh parsley, and cayenne pepper. Add all your ingredients into a mixing bowl and mix well. You want to cover and refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours. And you want to serve with your favorite recipes. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.